On today's episode, I'm replacing a rocker and dog leg section on a Hyundai.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona, I do this for real. I'm home to since the dinner, and witness a coma to miss. Boy, I said coma to miss. Then I get money to blow. Then I get my chances, I'm in my pocket and pen and more just for the show. Just so you know, I ain't get put on, boy, I just put on hold for my fam. Made the decision, I wasn't satisfied how I was living, so I got on mine and then bam. And the light just came on. Turn up the focus and the business with a different approach. When I was out on the field, nobody around me to coach. I had to feel a lot of things really allowed me to grow. So now I'm on my vision like it's never before. Had some time for tribulations, now I'm ready to blow.
I got this one all sealed up, ready to go over to Eric for fill. Used door as well. Just got to get a little cleanup on it. Dive into the next one.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to episode number 73 of Inside the Body Shop. I'm going to keep this short and sweet. A few of my episodes lately, I've been doing a commentary on them with a voiceover type of thing going on. If you haven't seen any of them, be sure to check them out. This one, I'm not doing that on because I actually explained a lot of what was going on in the video. Now, there could be some things that I'm missing that I'm not seeing. So if you have any questions, just leave some comments, let me know. But I think I explained quite a bit throughout the process during the day. So I didn't do the commentary on this one, but I am going to continue to do that. So don't miss it. But today I had a Hyundai Elantra doing a rocker and quarter section on. That was pretty much what I spent most of the day on, as well as I had a BMW bumper. I had to drill 6 holes for sensors in the bumper cover, and I'll walk you through the process of that as well in this episode. So I'm going to get straight to it. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, be sure you click that share button. I greatly appreciate it. Check out my day.
All right, on to my project of the day. This one is getting, I guess they hit a curb or a rock or something down low, and it's getting a rocker section from about here. And then it also gets a quarter section because you can't buy it all as one piece. But it's crushed and ripped open pretty good across the bottom here. Then you can see this is how they sell the parts. Unfortunately, you can't buy it all as one piece, so I have to put it in a few different joints there. Now they load these rockers up with wax, and if you don't clean it off, whenever you try to weld it, when it gets hot, the wax will actually melt down into your weld and mess it all up, especially if you're MIG welding. This one I'm going to be spot welding, but if you're MIG welding, it really is a mess. Volkswagen's actually the worst about this. They put tons of wax up in there. Hyundai sells some of their structural parts. It's kind of stupid. This is the rocker panel, and they put all of the different layers together, welded together, then they just hack it off and they sell you it that way. So I have to actually separate this outer skin of this rocker from all this structural stuff in order to put it on. It's a dumb way they do it, but some of the parts, that's what they do for whatever reason. There's my rocker section. Alright, I'm pausing on this one for a minute. I have a BMW. It's a bumper cover job with a bunch of stuff behind it, but the only thing getting painted is the bumper cover. But it has these 6 sensor holes, 3 on each side, and the new cover does not come with holes in it, so I have to drill. They have it marked, actually, you can see in here, but I have to drill those holes out, and then they have new brackets that go inside of here. I had to figure out which one's which, but they mount the sensors. X marks the spot right about there. I'm gonna do a pilot in each of them first. Now I luckily have this bit that is actually the exact right size, so I think I'm gonna use that. Do a test hole in the junk bumper cover first just to make sure, because I don't want to accidentally make it too big. Looks like that fits perfectly, so that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to put down some adhesion promoter, because all of these are double-sided tape. Put down some adhesion promoter on the bumper cover first. So I got these doors fit up on here, and I wanted to check, see how even it was across the bottom before I weld it on. And it gets kind of wide in this area, so I'm going to try to shift that rocker up a little bit. The rocker and that dogleg section to close this gap up a little bit. Alright, I got this one all ready to weld. I'm going to weld this front rocker section on first, and then I'll have to lift this back off in order to put panel bond in there. But I'm going to start spot welding it first thing in the morning. That's a wrap for the day. I will talk to y'all tomorrow.